Welcome to my English Pages channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the difference between coherence and cohesion. We'll be focusing on three major points. First, we will start with definitions of coherence and cohesion. Then, we will see an example of a text that can be cohesive but not coherent. Finally, we will show how a text can achieve cohesion. So, let's start with some definitions. Broadly speaking, coherence and cohesion refer to the way a text is organized so that it can hold together. Coherence. In a coherent text, ideas flow meaningfully and logically by using grammatical and lexical cohesive devices. Coherence is what makes a text semantically meaningful. In a coherent text, ideas are logically connected to produce meaning. The linguistic features that make a text coherent are classified under the concept of cohesion. Cohesion refers to the grammatical and lexical linking that holds a text together and contributes to its meaning. Sometimes, a text may be cohesively connected, yet may still be incoherent. Let's take an example. The quarterback threw the ball toward the tight end. Balls are used in many sports. Most balls are spheres, but a football is an ellipsoid. The tight end leapt to catch the ball. The sentences and phrases in this text are decidedly cohesive but not coherent. They do not result in a meaningful and unified whole. A coherent text has to be cohesively connected and logically meaningful. But how can we achieve cohesion? There are two types of cohesion: lexical and grammatical. We can achieve cohesion through lexical cohesion by repetition, synonymy, antonymy, hyponymy, and meronymy. Now let's look at these in more detail. Repetition. Repeating words may contribute to cohesion. Example: birds are beautiful. I like birds. Synonymy. You can use a word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word to achieve cohesion. Example: Paul saw a snake under the mattress. The serpent was probably hiding there for a long time. Antonymy. Antonymy refers to the use of a word of opposite meaning. Example: old movies are boring, the new ones are much better. Hyponymy. Hyponymy refers to the use of a word that denotes a subcategory of a more general class. Example: I saw a cat. The animal was very hungry and looked ill. Meronymy. This refers to the use of a word that denotes part of something, but which is used to refer to the whole of it. Example: more workers are needed. We need more hands to finish the work. Grammatical cohesion. Grammatical cohesion refers to the grammatical relations between text elements. This includes the use of anaphora, cataphora, ellipsis, substitutions, and conjunctions or transition words. Let's look at some examples. Anaphora. Anaphora is when you use a word referring back to another word used earlier in a text or conversation. Example: Jane was brilliant. She got the best score. Cataphora. Cataphora is contrasted to anaphora. Cataphora refers to the use of a word or phrase that refers to or stands for a following word or phrase. Example: here he comes our hero. Please welcome John. Ellipsis. Ellipsis refers to the omission, from speech or writing, of a word or words that are superfluous or able to be understood from contextual clues. Example: where are you going? To dance. Substitutions. Substitutions refer to the use of a word to replace another word. Example: which t-shirt would you like? I would like the pink one. Conjunctions and transition words. Conjunctions and transition words are parts of speech that connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Examples of conjunctions: and, or, but, Examples of transition words: in addition, moreover, similarly. Here are some examples of how you can achieve cohesion using conjunctions and transition words. I called Tracy and John. She was tired but happy. He went to bed after he had done his homework. Let's recap. Coherence is what makes a text semantically meaningful. In a coherent text, ideas are logically connected to produce meaning. Cohesion refers to the grammatical and lexical linking that holds a text together and contributes to its meaning. A text may be cohesively connected, yet may still be incoherent. There are two types of cohesion: lexical and grammatical. We can achieve cohesion lexically through repetition, synonymy, antonymy, hyponymy, meronymy. We can achieve grammatical cohesion through anaphora, cataphora, ellipsis, substitution, conjunctions and transition words. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos are published.